India's Got Latent controversy had an unexpected impact on the subscribers or the influencers involved. While Samay Raina and Apurva Makhija saw a significant rise in the subscribers, Ranveer Allahabadiya, majorly known as Beer Biceps, suffered a major decline. Samay gained over 590,000 subscribers since the start of the month, of which 320,000 were just after releasing this episode, while Apurva's challenge jumped, gaining 25,000 followers since this video was released. Meanwhile, Ranveer's both channels combined had a drop of 150,000 subscribers. Why did this happen? Let's break it down. India's Got Latent, a YouTube-based show hosted by Samay Raina, became embroiled in controversy following the inappropriate remarks by Ranveer Allahabadiya, known online as Beer Biceps. During an episode, Allahabadiya posed an offensive question to the contestant, which led to widespread public outrage. The Cyber Cell of Maharashtra has also registered a case against over 30 individuals associated with this show, including Allahabadiya and Raina, citing the use of vulgar and obscene language. The National Commission of Women, the NCW, also summoned Allahabadiya, Raina and others over derogatory remarks, scheduling a hearing on February 17, 2025. In this response to the backlash, Allahabadiya also issued a public apology, acknowledging his lapse in judgment and stating that comedy is not his forte. The controversial episode was subsequently removed by YouTube and also due to the government orders. This incident has ignited discussions about the boundaries of humor and responsibilities of content creators in India. Do you remember something by this? In May 2020, Carrie Minati uploaded a similar kind of video. It was called YouTube vs TikTok, which became a sensation overnight. It was India's most viewed video on YouTube, but YouTube had to remove it for violating the bullying and harassment policies that they had. This actually sparked a backlash over the censorship and the double standards of YouTube as well. In 2018, as we all know, AIB was the biggest thing on YouTube, basically in the comedy segment. But if you see right now, AIB is dormant. It has basically shut down. AIB has lost mostly all kinds of sponsors. Why did that happen? Because again, a YouTube video which went viral overnight and it became a sensation on Instagram and different kinds of communities. And it was basically very hard to contain. Coincidence? Maybe not. All three share one undeniable pattern. They exploded in a short period of time, becoming national debates almost overnight. In each case, what started as an entertainment or online content quickly turned into a massive public outrage. In the last 24 hours, the controversy surrounding India's Got Latent has intensified so much that it has led to significant legal and political actions. Legal actions? The Maharashtra Cyber Cell has filed a case against approximately 30 to 40 individuals associated with India's Got Latent, including all participants from episode 1 through 6. Notices are being issued to these individuals and they were being summoned to record their statements as a part of investigation. One question: why wait till now? National Commission of Women (NCW) has also taken a serious note of the vulgar and offensive remarks. Ranveer Allahabadiya, Samay Raina, Apurva Makhija, Jaspreet Singh, Ashish Chinchani, as well as the show's producers Tushar Pujari and Saurav Bothra have been summoned to appear in person before the commission on February 17th at 12 p.m. in New Delhi to address the controversial remarks made on the show. Again, why after 15 episodes? Following the government orders and the public backlash, YouTube has removed the controversial episode featuring Ranveer Allahabadiya from its platform. The action was confirmed by Kanchan Gupta, senior advisor at the Ministry of Information Broadcasting. So what happens when creators cross the line? And the more important question being, why did they cross the line? The easier answer to this is that the audience wanted this. From social media users to politicians, women rights groups, and even the celebrities. The backlash is relentless. But the hypocrisy is even bigger. Everybody is rushing to capitalize on this controversy. B. Prag, Chavi Hussain, Mika Singh, Mukesh Khanna, Veer Das, and even Manoj Muntashir. Yes, the same Manoj Muntashir who wrote the controversial script of Adipurush. This is why I say this. When there is a controversy so big, everyone jumps to get a piece of the pie. Now, if we talk about Apurva, why was she blamed? She spoke because the contestant used foul language to describe her. Before judging the person, let's see both sides of the story. Is Ranveer Alabadia innocent? Most definitely not. Rather, he is the biggest loser in this controversy. But was it posted on public forum? No, the video was posted on the members only space on YouTube. The followers of the channel sensationalized the video by posting it on open forums like Instagram. Whose side I am on? I am on the side of the truth rather than hypocrisy. Every person that I know who was watching all kinds of episodes on the India's Got Latent series is running in the direction of the wind and joining in on the controversy as well. Because it is cool to do so right now, isn't it? Tell me what do you think about this controversy in the comments down below. Let me understand your point of view as well.